Let's make fast, fresh, and savory empanadas. Boil 2 eggs for 8 minutes until hard. In the meantime, chop the onion. And mince the garlic. Heat the olive oil in a frying pan and sauté the onion for 3 minutes. Add the ground beef, Italian seasoning and garlic, cook for 8 minutes until browned, stirring frequently. Place the cooked ground beef in a bowl. Finely chop the parsley. And mix with the meat. Season with pepper and salt. Cool the hard-boiled eggs with cold running water, and then peel them. Cut into pieces. And stir into the meat. Allow this mixture to cool for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 400 degrees and let the dough thaw for 15 minutes. Using a small bowl as a guide, cut the corners of the dough so that the dough slices are round. Put a spoonful of the ground beef mixture on one side of each dough circle. Brush the edges with water. And fold the dough over the meat mixture. Place on a lined baking tray and press the edges with a fork to seal. Beat the remaining egg and brush the empanadas with it. Bake in the oven for about 20 minutes or until golden brown. And that's all it takes to make savory and delicious empanadas.